Follow these steps to remove Snapchat lenses from Carousel. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now scrolling to the right, you're gonna find different lenses. Select any of the lens that you want to remove. Once you have selected it, now what you have to do is click on this eye icon given over here. With that, you're gonna find details for it. Likewise, you will get the option of heart, dislike and share. Click on the dislike option, remove lens. This will remove the lens from your carousel. Click on remove. With that, you have just removed that selected lens. Do the same for any other lens that you want to remove from the carousel. So this way you are able to remove Snapchat lenses from carousel. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.